Some days ago, I think about 3 or 4 days ago, I put out a poll, like a survey on WhatsApp, for those who have been following me on WhatsApp status. So I put out a poll, like, okay, I asked question like, okay, would you guys want me to review like top 5 cryptocurrencies, that have the potential to do 5x, 10x, 20x in the future that you can hold for like some years, like 2 years, 3 years, and to give you like a mind blowing return on investment after a period of 2 or 3 years. So I got a couple of feedback from people. In fact, everybody that um, answered the poll wanted to know that kind of coin, from fundamental perspective. These guys knows that when it comes to fundamental analysis of the project, I've done a couple of webinar online about fundamental analysis, and I'm more bullish on fundamentals than technicals, right? So because as an investor, you look at fundamental analysis, but as an let me say as a trader, yeah, as a trader, you look out for technical analysis because you are trading like almost every day of your life. Okay, so that said, I want you guys to do something for me. You're welcome to the channel. If you're just stumbling on this video for the first time, you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel right now. Okay, so we've been able to move from 0 subscribers to 10,000, so 3,000 subscribers. Okay, and now we want to move from 1,000 to 10,000, and several thousands of subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so there are lots, there are dozens and several dozens of videos for you on the channel that will help you to jumpstart your crypto and blockchain career. Okay, so you don't really have to stretch yourself. All of these things they are already done for you on the channel. So just look at the playlist, hang around the channel, and feed your mind with valuable content. All right, so that's it. Let me go back to the analysis I want to talk about. So today I'm going to be talking about Syscoin. So why Syscoin? Okay, that's the question. Why Syscoin? I'm talking about Syscoin because it is one of the oldest projects in the crypto industry. But look at this now. Syscoin has been existing as far back as 2013. Okay, as you can see from here, this is as 2014. You know, it was selling for 0.00039. Okay, right now it is selling for 22 cents at the moment. Okay, so as you can see from here, the market supply, the coin supply, the maximum is 888 million, and right now we have 644 million in circulation right now. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, let me use a percentage calculator that I've been using for trading on my phone. So it's, let's say, okay, 644, then okay, so more than 60% of this coin is already in market. That's the meaning. More than 60%. In fact, close to 40% of this has already been mined by miners, as you can see. So it means that the volatility of, the probability that Syscoin will get back to 0 point, excuse me, will get back to prices like 0.02 is difficult. Okay, should it fall as or as low as 0.02, that would be like losing more than 90% of its current value right now. Okay, so but this is what I'm going to do if I were you. I'm going to buy right now at the current market price. Okay, so if I want to buy like 1,000 USDT worth of Syscoin and hold for a long time, I'm going to buy 500 right now. Okay, then after buy 500 right now, okay, I will keep it in a private wallet. Okay, I will move it to Sys blockchain. Of course, they have their own wallets where you can keep your Syscoin. So you need to go to the website, and download their wallet. Okay, so it is just like a layer, um, two solutions on, on Ethereum. Like anything like, let me even say layer one solution on Ethereum. It is even faster than Ethereum, and everything you can do on Ethereum blockchain, you can also do on Syscoin as well. So I'll move it out of exchange. So the remaining 500 USDT, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my order at 0.15, so 0.15, 0.10, and 0.05. Okay. Should it go below this price? If you look at these are the major support. The major support of this coin is around 0.10 and 0.12. So the probability that you're going to find Syscoin at 0.05 is very low, very low. Okay. So as you can see, the trading volume is decent in the last 24 hours. This is the volume, and this is the fully diluted market cap. It's sitting at 200 million right now. Okay, so it is really a project, that is worth considering. Being an OG that has been around for a while, and if you look at these pumps and downs, these dips and pumps, you are rest assured that this coin will pump again. That is the only answer. It will definitely pump again. Okay, and I'm still going to show you why. If you look at this, it pumped all the way from 0.12 to as far as 1.2. Okay, that is 10x. Automatically, that is 10x. Then it is possible for this coin to pump from here again to 1.0. If it does that and you are buying at this range, you have done almost 5x. Okay, the risk is low and the reward is high. Okay, it's moderate. Let me say the moderate reward and low risk. You understand it? Because I don't see this coin actually falling further below 0.1. It's going to be difficult. Okay, so because you cannot compare the price with the price that you experienced 2018. It is almost around the same price range as 2018, 19, 20 before the industry experienced a strong uptrend. Okay, so everybody knows right now that we are having a downtrend because the coin market cap dropped all the way from about $3 trillion to 1.2. More than 50% of coin market cap has been lost since the previous all-time high. Okay, so now let's go to their Twitter accounts. On their Twitter account, they have almost 106,000 followers. Okay, and if you look at this, they pinned this post December 2021. Okay, when they successfully deployed first phase of their NEVM smart contract. So it became smart contract enabled around this period, that's 2021. So when you go to coin market cap again, and go to 2021 around December time. Okay, around December time. Okay, so you can see it pumped all the way from 0.74 and it pumped as high as 1.2. Okay, because of this news that they pinned on their Twitter handle. I think I was aware of this information then. I was aware of it as at then. So I got the news. So now another thing you have to look out for is how active is their Twitter handle. Okay, you can see tweet on May 10th. You can see their retweets. Okay, you can see their retweets. They're always engaging people, they're always engaging projects on their tweet page, May 10th. Okay, so you will not blame them for having their last tweet on May 10th when today's date is May 20 something. I mean May 18. So since about 8 days ago, there has never really been any updates on their Twitter, page. But let's go to their replies if they actually been replying quite, so you can see. So when it comes to activeness, they are not doing badly on Twitter, as far as I'm concerned, because this is bear market. You don't expect projects to be as active as they used to be when the market was in bullish trend. Okay, so you also have to come to their Telegram page. So when you check their Telegram page, this is what you will see on their Telegram page. You can see that their pin post was around, okay, let me go down. Their pin post was around May 10, as you can see, not quite long also. So they had a partnership with DNet, DNet Pro, a storage platform. So they are always rolling out new things. As at April, they were active February. And they were seriously active in April. Seriously active in April. So these are the kind of metrics that you want to look out for before you put in your money and invest into a project. Okay. So I think you really gotten something that could convince you to actually invest a part of your funds into this sales coin project. So thanks for sticking around, and bye.